Why am I not getting good viewers on my channel whenever I post new video? That is a question most of you ask yourself while posting on YouTube. Well, on this video I'll be sharing with you the ways you can actually upload your video the right way to actually get good viewers on your YouTube channel and on your video to actually grow your channel to monetization in this year 2025. So please, if this video is a video you love watching, watch to the end, never skip any part, because if you try to skip any part, that might be the exact thing you need to do and you have skipped it away. So please be calm, don't skip it away. That is it. So welcome to Smart Hustle TV. I'm Destin, and on this channel I'll be sharing with you the simple and easy way to make money online, grow online, or grow your YouTube channel. So please, if this channel is a channel you love watching, please do well to click that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video it will get to you first before anyone else, and you use that update to grow online and actually make some money for yourself. And please don't forget to share this channel with your friends, share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button. That's it. So let's dive into the video of the day. So while uploading video, this is what some of you do that actually make your videos never get good views. Well, let me show you on my screen. Let me just go now. Some people just go straight to their YouTube app like this. They just click on their YouTube app. On our YouTube app, then they just go straight. They just go straight to this plus sign right here. They just click on the plus sign. Then they will actually look for any random video or the video that they have actually saved. Just look at it. Just click here. Then they'll click on any of their random video. Then they'll start posting and they'll start uploading on their channel. That's actually a wrong way. Let me show you the right way you can actually upload your video. Just go into your Chrome browser or your Google. Go into it. Then search for YouTube Studio. Click on YouTube Studio on your Chrome or on your Google search bar. Just go into it. Type on YouTube Studio like this. YouTube Studio, then search it. It's a pop-up. As for you that is actually using a mobile phone like me, you might experience it that when you click on this YouTube Studio, it will actually take you to the YouTube app. No, don't use the YouTube app. I will actually show you the way you can actually get into the YouTube Studio with the Chrome, with the Google. Just click on your YouTube Studio this way. Click on it till it show you open new tab. Then click on the new tab. Here's the new open new tab. Click on this place, that section. Click on that open new tab section. Then yes, then go to this section here. This section here. Click on it. Then we see the YouTube new tab that has already opened here. Just click on the YouTube new tab, then it will open. You just need to continue to YouTube Studio. Don't click on this get the app. That is very important. Just click on get the app. Click on this section that says continue to studio. Just click on that section, then you agree to go. Click on it. I'm actually having a bad internet connection in my area here. So here's it. Here's just my channel. As you all know, it's my YouTube channel. So when you want to upload your video now, you actually come to this section that said create video, or this arrow button. Out of these two, you can actually click on one. It's actually perfect. That is not the reason why I'm over here now. Click out of this, you can actually click on one. So let's click on the top one. Let's click on this top create here. Let's click on upload video. Then we're actually here on our screen. We need to click on this select file. I'm actually just going to put any random video to watch for the sake of this tutorial. I'm actually just going to put any random video and show you the ways and the things you need to set while uploading your videos. Let's go into it. Okay, so just look for any random video. No, let me just go into video. I'm just going to camera. Okay, let me just click on this guy video that I saved from TikTok. I'm not going to upload this video, I'm not going to post it for sake of copyright, but in the sake of this video I'm just using this. Then just click on, just put your title, and just put funny video. So for the title section, let me just put this guy is so genius. Yeah, for the sake of this video, I'm just putting the description this way. So let me go to playlist. If you have any playlist, you can actually put your playlist here. Then yes, it's made for kids. No, you have to change this section and put it in no, it's not made for kids. Do you want to restrict your video to an adult audience? No, don't restrict the video to viewers over 18 only. Yeah, okay, that is just for that. Let's click on this show more. My video content page like a product claim. If you are those types that is reviewing any product that they pay you, like sponsorship pay you, anyone pay you to review their product, you can actually put it here. You can actually click on this section. Just click on this section and say my video content paid promotion, like a product placement, sponsorship, blah blah here and there. So altered content, you can actually read. If you want to, if you are about to post, you can actually read all this altered content. I don't want to waste the time of this video, so no need for that. Allow auto capture. This is very important. This is very important. While uploading a video, this is the one thing that makes people goes viral that you don't know. Some people just off this allow auto capture and key moments. No, you have to keep this on. Keep this on always, because it will help. If the audience loves reading capture, we just click it and it will allow auto caption and make your video more professional, and that's just it. So feature placement, allow to place, yes. To concept, yes. Now your tag is one of the best thing. Again, you already know why you are about to post a video. You actually need to place your tag in order. Just put in the tag. Let me just say funny video, input comma, let me just say comedy. Those two is okay. Language, you can put any language you want. You can put any language you want. Record date should just be there. Now let's be going to the important thing right now. Let's just take it. Let's just leave all those things that way. Just leave it that way. So after that, you just need to click on this next button. The next button, add related video. If you are already posting on your video before and you want to add any related video, you can please add a related video to this video. So if you actually make, when someone is watching the video or the short, if you actually see after the short, you can see the other video and then you will click on it. Yes, there we go. As you can see, yeah, as you can see, this is the main topic of the day. Most of you just go to YouTube, just post your video on YouTube, that will start checking if the video is under copyright. But on this YouTube Studio Chrome section, it will actually give you the copyright checking. If your video is under copyright, it will tell you it's under copyright. As you can see, this video is no issue found on this video, so this video is good to go for uploading. But I'm not going to upload this video because it's not mine and I'm not using it. So after everything, just go to here, click on next, then your video is ready for uploading. You can just click on publish, just click on publish,
public. If you want to schedule it, you can also still schedule it. There's no problem about that. Then let's go into publish. Then after everything, just click on this publish. I'm going to delete this video back. I just want to use it as the example here. After everything, just click on the publish. Then the video is published.
So that is all about how to upload your YouTube video and get there. Coming to the final conclusion, most of you might be confused. What did happen? What did happen? Please, the main thing here is that you should not use the YouTube app to upload your video. Go straight to your Google or your Chrome browser, anywhere you can access the internet. Type in YouTube Studio. Use the Google section of the YouTube Studio. Don't go to the YouTube Studio app. Use the internet, which is the Google section of it. You can understand. Just click on it, then upload the video from that way. From that way, you can actually customize everything. You can actually check for copyright, everything, and then if you upload video through that place, you can actually get good views and good chances of engagement on your video. So please, if this video is a video you love, please do it to click the subscribe button and support the channel. And please, this is my first video. It might look somehow. Let me just say this is my first video on the channel. It might look somehow. Please do it to support me by subscribing to this channel and liking this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, it will go to you first. I'll be the first to watch it. That is it. Smart TV, also smart and aim big. That's how we do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.